What's going on, everybody? So hopefully that was the last cold start I'm gonna have to do with this car. Back there I have a brand new exhaust. I got the AWE track exhaust, non-resonated. So I also have catless downpipes on my car. We're gonna go ahead and go to Mike's shop. We're gonna go and install this track exhaust. It should be very, very loud and drony, the sound. So we're gonna drive over there right now, record everything, and I'm gonna show you guys some sound clips after. Got him. Fake. Why? It's not even an M5. Why? It is. Danny just came in for an oil change. Car's finally about to go in. But yeah, check out Mike's shop. Best service auto body, guys. If you're ever in New York, Brooklyn, 20 Williams Avenue. Check them out, guys. Coating, anything for your car needs, accidents, towing, hit them up. Mike, you doing a little unboxing video?
Of course.
What do you think is in the box? What do you think I brought today?
It's a blow up doll.
What'd I bring?
A blow up doll.
A blow up valve?
Doll.
Oh, a blow up doll.
Yeah.
That's what you're wishing for?
You need a passenger.
Oh shit. Oh shit, I see AWE. It's not fake. It's the real deal. Make sure we got everything. Yeah, but it's 27 pounds lighter than stock. Supposedly, with AWE.
There's no muffler, yeah.
This is the dopest speaker I've ever seen. Nasty. Damn. That's crazy. You go sit in a random car and you lock yourself out because there's no door handle. And he can't hear him, he's working on the car. So now I'm stuck in the Subaru. Never mind, I figured it out. Free. Let's go check up on Mike. You need some light?
No, I'm good.
How's it going?
Good.
Almost out, right?
Yeah, I just have like 2 more bolts here and then the back.
Pull it up. Out with the old and with the new. Came to help. I think this dog would be a bigger help than me. He wants to help, Mike.
No, no.
He's a good boy. Putting the diffuser back on. And then we're finally gonna get started up. Doesn't look too bad with the black tips compared to chrome. Exhaust is finally in. Mike is gonna start it up. We're gonna see what it sounds like. Mike, you ready for this?
No.
You sure?
No.
For it. explain it. Like, I know the video doesn't do it justice, but if you guys ever hear it in person, it's retarded. And like the inside of the car, like you could feel the vibrations still from the exhaust. Like it's crazy. I'm gonna make a separate video in the future with exhaust clips, cold start and everything. I know I kind of showed you like a little cold start moments ago, but that wasn't like a full cold start. So yeah, initial thoughts: amazing exhaust, very, very, very loud. I recommend you, if you can, or if you're planning on buying this exhaust, try and see if a friend or you know somebody personally that you can hear this exhaust in person before you buy it, because it might not be for you. It's very loud. I personally park in an indoor garage, so I might have to do a cold start delete because it's very loud. But yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you guys think. Subscribe for more videos. I'm going to be making more car videos soon. Follow me on Instagram, Abner.F80. Big shout out to Mike. Follow him, BSA_coding. And yeah, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, leave a thumbs up and see you in the next one. Peace.